Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Vega trimmer. First, always ensure your trimmer is clean and fully charged. Proper blade alignment is crucial for a smooth, snag-free trim, preventing skin irritation. We will cover the simple steps to achieve optimal performance, making your grooming routine much more effective. You'll need just a few basic tools, which we'll discuss shortly. Let's get started on getting that perfect trim. Before making any adjustments, safety is paramount. Always turn off and unplug your Vega trimmer to prevent accidental activation. Next, carefully remove the trimmer head and use a small brush to clear away any trapped hair or debris. A clean trimmer allows for a more accurate adjustment and better performance. Also, take a moment to inspect the blades for any signs of wear or damage. This preparation ensures a smooth adjustment process. Now let's get to the actual adjustment. Locate the two small screws on the blade assembly and loosen them slightly, just enough so the blades can move. Gently slide the moving blade until it is positioned just below the fixed blade, typically about 0.5 millimeters. This small gap is essential for safe and effective trimming. Once aligned, carefully tighten the screws, making sure the blades do not shift out of position. Double-check the alignment. After adjusting, turn on your trimmer and test it on a small patch of hair. Listen for any unusual noises and observe the cutting performance. If it cuts smoothly without pulling, you've done it right. For ongoing maintenance, apply a drop of lubricating oil to the blades after every few uses to keep them running efficiently. And hey, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Proper care extends your trimmer's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.